Using the information shown in the frequency tree, fill in all of the missing values. The frequency tree starts off with 140 here, and we can see that here we have 80. Now this means that there are 80 males out of 140, and what we need to work out is what goes in this position here. This is a straightforward calculation where we subtract from the 140 the 80, which represents the number of males, and of course this will give us 60, which is the number of females, and that is put into this circle here. This is telling us that there are 30 females over 21. Let's use this information to calculate what goes into here. So we subtract this 30 from the number of females we have, which is 60, and the calculation for this is shown here, which you can see is 60 minus 30, which equals 30, and this 30 is placed into this circle here. This tells us that there are 30 of the 60 females under 21. This tells us that there are 50 of the 80 males under 21, and what we have to calculate is what goes into here, which represents the number of males over 21. This is found by subtracting this 50 from this 80, and the calculation is shown here. And this 30 is written into here. Now we can check our workings by adding all of these numbers up and seeing if they add up to this value of 140. 30 plus 50 is 80, plus 30 is 110, plus 30 is 140. So we can see we have an agreement between the additions and the 140. So we've checked our workings. If you're going to do this in an exam, I would suggest that you show this calculation as I'm showing here.